Hi, good afternoon. Vince Attardo with Coastline Environmental Solutions. I get calls often from people asking me, is this covered by my insurance? They've had a tree fall in the yard. Yes, typically covered by insurance. And whether the tree's in your yard or it was in the neighbor's yard, if it ends up causing damage, typically it's sudden or accidental. That for sure is an accident. What is covered through insurance, and I'm not an insurance adjuster, which is who is going to make that determination as to whether you do or don't have a cover loss. But essentially, it's anything that's sudden or accidental. So if you have a burst pipe in the middle of the night, that's obviously sudden. It's flooding out your home. That's generally going to be a covered water loss. If you have a toilet overflow, that may or may not be a covered loss. Depends on what caused the flow to happen. However, negligence is covered through insurance, such as you were washing something in the kitchen sink and you left the water running. You went to church, went to the store, I don't know what you did, but you forgot that the water was running or someone else turned the water on. That is damage that is covered through insurance. Each insurance company has their own, let's say, rules of what they will and won't cover, as well as CC&Rs, which would be if you have a homeowners association. HOAs have their own insurance, and you should have renter's insurance either way for your own personal belongings, because homeowners might not cover that, especially if you're a renter in someone else's building. So keep those things in mind. It's not always a clean-cut, clear case of what is and what isn't, but sudden accidental normally will you be your best friends when it comes to getting something covered through insurance. Thank you so much.